Toyota infotainment systems use PINs for security, preventing unauthorized access and data theft. Resetting the system typically requires this PIN or dealer intervention. While methods to bypass the PIN exist, especially on older systems, using them poses significant risks. Recent updates have strengthened security, locking out systems after failed attempts and requiring dealer resets. Attempting unauthorized resets can corrupt data, trigger error codes, and compromise features. It can also expose personal data. Always prioritize official methods to avoid these risks. The official factory reset procedure requires the correct PIN or a visit to a Toyota dealer. Dealership resets typically cost $50 to $150. While online tutorials detail PIN bypass techniques involving button combinations or OBD2 scanners, Toyota strongly advises against these. Such methods can lead to bricked systems and void warranties. For forgotten PINs, contact Toyota support. Emerging trends include biometric authentication to reduce PIN reliance and over-the-air security updates to patch vulnerabilities. Remember that automotive cybersecurity experts warn that PIN bypass attempts can be a gateway to broader vehicle hacks, potentially compromising safety systems.